Hey everyone, happy Bastille Day. Let's whip up a French-inspired gin fizz using Citadelle French gin. All right, so first things first, we've got our shaker. We're gonna pop everything in here. So we're gonna start off with our gin, our delicious Citadelle French gin. We're gonna do 60 mils of that. So with your jigger, you just wanna pop in 2 of these. 1, 2. We're gonna follow that with 15 mils of simple syrup. Whoa, this is nice and thick, isn't it? Look at that. 15 mils straight in there, bang. And then we're gonna do 15 mils of our lemon juice. Nice and sour. And that's already pre-juiced, so you don't have to watch me do that because I'm not good at juicing. All right, anyway, so next ingredient, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. We're gonna do 1 egg, 1 whole egg. Actually, 1 whole egg, yeah. Nah, we'll keep the yolk out of it. We'll just do the egg white. All right, here we go. Can I do it? Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, this is a thick egg, isn't it? Awesome. Look at that. All right, I'm just gonna put this over here because we don't need that. All right, so we've got our egg in there. So this is called a dry shake. So with a dry shake, we don't put any ice in it. We just want to foam this one up. As it says, it's a gin fizz, so it's going to have a nice bit of that foam on top. So you just give it a few little shakes. You just want to get that egg flipping around in there. And then we take off the lid, bang. And that's just going to break all those protein downs for us. And then we'll pop some ice into that. Awesome. So now we've got our ice in there. It won't need too much. It won't need that much of any shaking. I'll put this to the side. Grab this beautiful little retro fizz glass here. And pop that down. And now we'll just give it a shake. Just to cool it down. Alrighty, we'll grab our lid. Pop that off, and we want to double strain this, okay? The reason we're double straining is because we want to keep it nice and foamy. We don't want any of that extra egg, any of the little juice getting in there. Awesome, so we got that there. And pop this off to the side. And I'm just gonna top it with some soda. This adds that little extra bit of fizz. I'm like, ready for it to explode. Bam, all right, and we're just gonna top that one up just a little bit there. Nice and fizzy. Yum, yum, yum. And now our last ingredient, get some lemon. And we're just going to, I might move this over a little bit. Get our lemon, now we're just gonna cut a little peel off it, a little slice. All right, so we've got our little bit of peel there. We're just gonna give it a twist. Twist in it. Ooh, spritz that on there. Little twist, look at that. And we just want to just curl it in there a little bit. There we go. Just to garnish it. Ooh la la. Happy Bastille Day. Gin fizz. Cheers.